and welcome to Amethyst Star Crafting. My name is Jane Ormark and I'm a UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. And today is the 3rd of January. So it is the start of the new mini catalogue, which I've been showing you bits and pieces from, and hopefully most of you will have received your catalogues now. If you haven't got a copy, let me know. But the other major event that's happening at this time is Saleabration. Runs from the 3rd of January to the 31st of March. So it's not a huge amount of time, but anything that you order from the annual catalogue, the new mini catalogue, if it comes to £45 or more, you can choose something from here absolutely free. And this is the great thing about Saleabration. It's free things, and who doesn't love them? So I thought that we would have a quick flick through so I can show you some of these lovely things. So the first one is, which is going to be so popular. There's quite a lot out there at the moment. The Gangs All Mere. Now I've got this one and I haven't even started on it yet, but you can see it is a lovely, it's a red rubber stamp, which again, we know how great red rubber is. Lovely little meerkats. You've got cute little faces, great little grins. There's a cactus. There's a little sort of lizardy thing. There's party hats. Happy birthday to a stand-up friend. We're here for you from all of us, but you can put whatever you want with it. So this is a great little set, and I think it's going to be very popular. So if you spend £45, you can get this set absolutely free. So that's the first one that I've got. I haven't got them all. This one is lily pads and lilies, so two-step stamping. There's other sort of little bits and pieces on there, and you can get that for the £45. If you want the dies, there's coordinating dies with it. You have to spend £90. So, you know, if you're putting some big orders in through over the next 3 months until the end of March, you know, you might want to get that one. Not one that I chose. Then there's designer series paper, which is Lily Impressions. So these are 12 by 12s, a lovely sort of bright, Monet-esque, a little bit brighter than that, but pretty. Then there is metallic baker's twine and sequins. So if you're a twine and sequins person, excuse me, I'm still getting over this snuffly thing, so you'll have to excuse me sort of sneezing from time to time. So this again is baker's twine and little ribbons. Now this one, I've got this one because I think that there's lots of possibilities with this. This one is, there we go, happy birthday to you, celebrate. Beautiful cake image, and it's let me open it up. Ooh. Again, it's a red rubber one, and it is a good size. It's the size of this one is, let me take this out and give it a quick measure up. It is 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches, so it's a good size stamp. You can die cut, or sorry, you can fussy cut out the flowers individually. You can do a lot with that. So again, this is another one that I'm going to play with over the next few weeks to give you some ideas of it. You can see on here that there's a couple of little examples. So this one has been fussy cut out with flowers. That's been put with layered with a die behind and coloured just in 2 different colours. So again, really nice. So that's one that I would definitely recommend. £45 spend, you get that absolutely free. Card sets, they're always good. You can make 8 cards, so 8 cards, 8 envelopes, little embellishments and bits and pieces like that. So if you're into a card kit, £45, spend elsewhere, it's yours. Now, I had to get this paper because I really liked, it's the Golden Honey Speciality Designer Series paper. It coordinates in the mini catalogue with the bees, but I just loved, and we'll do a quick, I think I've opened it, but I haven't used it yet. So let's see where I've Oh yes, it's just a nice opening one, this one. You can just pull it up this way. So we'll have a quick look at this, because this is one that I think is going to again be very popular. It's got black and white on one side, so again you can colour all those pieces in, and on the other side it is, as you can see, it's foiled. Let me take it all out. So, I'm woggling my camera again, just getting so excited with it all. Okay, so you can probably see you've got the foil on there. Pretty bees. 2 sheets of that. Other side is just black and white. You can't go wrong with that. You've got this lovely, what do they call it, beehive hexagon shape, which again goes with absolutely anything. And on the other side, black and white. Bees, again you can do some colouring on there if you want. This one, absolutely lovely. You know, how classical is that? You know, boxes, really elegant cards, and then a very simple one on the back. Again, really good for doing toning any colours you want in with it. Very classical. I love that sort of look. Then bees, all in gold, and a black sort of hexagon bit on the other side. And then that's another sheet of, yeah, that one with the flowers on it, and this one with the other flowers. So I think I showed you those at the beginning. I'll probably mix those up a bit. But those are your sheets that you get in there. So they're 12 by 12s. Really, oh dear, I'm shaking that camera again. I've got my camera quite low at the moment, so I can, excuse me, I will stop it, so that you can see what's going on, and I'll put those back in later. But that one, as I say, I think is, out of the designer series paper, it's the one I would go for. Sentiments. If you're short of sentiments, this is a good one. Birthdays, congratulations. If loving thoughts could heal, you'd be better already. So nice sort of fonts as well. So that's quite a good one. I haven't got that one yet. And then we've got this little one here, Thoughtful Blooms. Now, lots of little things going on. This is the stamp set. You've got the leaves and things, which are nice because it's all one stamp. It's photopolymer, so it's easy if you're starting out, easy to see where you're going. Leaves, all sorts of bits. So I really like that. And they're bringing out a new small bloom punch, which is, it looks as if it's got sort of rounded edges on it. However, I'm going to give you a little tip. If you're somebody who's been with Stampin' Up a little while, there is a punch which is this one. Now, it's not exactly the same as that. I'm not going to say that it is, because I think that this is slightly more pointed, but it went with the others and it does cut it out perfectly. I will show you some ways of doing that. So if you've got that and you don't want to invest in another punch that'll do the same thing, it'll work. If you haven't got it and you want to get it, then fantastic. Punches, it's a £90 spend, but the stamp set's £45. You get it free for a £45 spend, and you can always just fussy cut them out anyway. So I think that was quite a pretty one. Then we've got sort of Japanese feel, lovely sort of geisha girl walking in the you know, cherry blossoms and things. So I think that's quite a pretty one. And then at the back, now this is very exciting. There are 2 things. This stamp set you can get absolutely free, but you can't earn it with a spend. You can only get it if your total order comes to, where is it? £275 or more. So if you've got a load of friends, club them all together. One of you will be able to get this, and then you can maybe share it around. So it's a different way of doing it, but it is free as a host gift is the way they're doing it. So you can't actually earn it. You can only get it free with orders of £275 or above. So, you know, down to you if you love this little ladybug. Okay, now, at the back, we always have join Stampin' Up. Now, joining Stampin' Up, some of us are apprehensive. We think that there's catches. We think there's things like that. Most people, to be quite honest, join Stampin' Up for the discount. You get 20% discount off of everything all the time. And that's a minimum. As you grow with it, you can get more than 20% off. So the joining kit this time is absolutely amazing. You build your starter kit by picking anything you want. £130 worth of products out of the mini catalogue, the annual catalogue, not out of the Saleabration, but out of those two, £130 worth. Choose whatever you want. And you pay £99. Plus, exclusive between just during Saleabration, which is from the 3rd of January to the 31st of March, you can get all of the following free. Okay, now I'm going to show you because I actually got these to be able to show you exactly what they were. So let me put my bits to one side and reach across and get them. Okay, so you get a new mini paper cutter. Okay, it is mini, it's tiny, it's weeny. Comes in a nice little box, and it is literally, let me try and give you an idea. Okay, this is one of our stamp cases. Okay, it's about the size of a stamp case. Okay, so don't think it's going to be huge or whatever, but it's a guillotine. And it cuts really, really well. So, you know, let's, just got a little tiny bit of scrap on here that I'm doing. It's not going to cut huge amounts of things. However, if you want something to cut sort of, you know, little sentiments and bits and pieces like that, if you want something, you know, when they talk about handbag size things, you know, if you want something to cut handbag size, this is absolutely brilliant. And you can only get it as part of your starter kit. So you get that absolutely free. Great when you begin, great when you start. And as I say, I've got this in its little box. So it comes just like that, which is brilliant. And then you get, so when they say starting, it's really great for beginners. You also get a pack of, they say, how many, do they say how many sheets? I don't even know if they do. Do they say on here? Okay, you get a mixed pack, 6x6 sampler. Now, it doesn't actually say how many you get. However, let me show you. You get all of these. You do them quite slowly. And they have chosen, so that's one side. Okay, and we'll do the other side. They have chosen the, in my opinion, probably the best sheets out of all of them as a sample for you. Okay, so lots and lots. Those are really pretty. Those, oh, beautiful. The poppies are just stunning. Just absolutely stunning. That free paper. So as I say, a sample of these gorgeous poppies. Just beautiful. Okay, so you get a whole wodge of these papers absolutely free in your starter kit as well. So you've got, you're starting out, you've decided, okay, I'm going to join. So you get a pack of papers that you can do absolutely anything with. You get a little trimmer so you can cut, and the trimmer does fit the 6x6s. I didn't turn around and say that. So it won't cut big card bases or anything like that. However, it will. I'm going to take one of these. I'm not going to cut it because I haven't done anything with this. I'm just going to show you that if you take a 6x6, it will fit in perfectly. Okay, so for you know, cutting things, it'll only go to 4 inches. But if you want 6x3s and cut down your designer series papers in the 6x6s, it works absolutely brilliantly. So it does have quite a few uses. So you've got your little paper trimmer. You've got your lovely pack of designer series paper. You have got, what else? Oh, your choice of any stamp set offered in the current catalogues, host sets and Saleabration. Oh, host sets and Saleabration sets are excluded. Okay, so any stamp set in the annual catalogue, any stamp set in the new mini catalogue, apart from Saleabration and host sets, you get to choose for free as well. So you're getting not only £130 worth for £99. So you spend £99, you get £130 worth of stuff, you get a mini cutter, you get 6x6 pack of paper, and you get to choose another stamp set for £99. It's a real no-brainer, really. If you want to spend and get lots of Stampin' Up stuff, do it. See how you like it. There is no obligation. Just, you know, you can just keep it all and then not do anything more with it. Entirely up to you. I will put more details down below for you, but I really wanted to talk to you about that because I thought, you know what, that is something which is, in my opinion, really special at Saleabration. So those are the things that I am turning around and telling you that you need to do during Saleabration. Look at getting these things for free. £99, you get all of this, plus you get £130 worth of stuff. I always say Saleabration is the time of year that most people, if they've been dilly-dallying and thinking, shall I join, shan't I? It's the time that most people join. And I can't blame them. I can't blame them. Okay, so we are, I'm not going to do anything more today on this one. I'm just going to do this because I wanted to, as I say, show it all to you. And I don't want the video going on forever and ever and ever. So this is Saleabration. Enjoy, have fun, and come back very soon because I shall be doing some projects using the Saleabration items. So thank you so much for watching me. Bye-bye.